Hello guys, so there is this trending prediction coming from Ryo Tatsuki, who is the Japanese manga artist with her book named The Future I Saw. It says there, by July 5, 2025 at exactly 4:18 a.m., a strong mega tsunami may hit Japan, Taiwan, including our country. And ako, I don't believe in some sort of predictions, pero na-concern ako doon sa part no last week. ABS-CBN posted that there are more than 300 earthquakes that hit Japan by June, which is not normal compared to the average amount of minor quakes each month. To clarify, her vision included a deep crack forming in the Philippine Sea, the ocean boiling near southern Japan, and a mega tsunami said to be 3 times more powerful than the 2011 earthquake and tsunami. For your information, that book also predicted the 2011 earthquake as well as the COVID-19 pandemic. All I want to say is, stay tuned, be updated po sa lahat ng possible na mangyari. Kasi first of all, we cannot predict earthquakes. Sabi na rin yon ng scientists. I don't know if the amount of earthquakes in Japan is just a coincidence or it is meant to be due to that prediction. And also, God is the only one who can predict everything in this world. And wala pa rin tayong kasiguraduhan. But it's very important to be ready and pray. Iwas din po sa mga fake news. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.